All right. So, tell us about yourself. What's your name?
I go by the name Akimule Olaoluwa Ibrahim. For those who live around me, they call me Ola. And I prefer the one Oli. Oli Gongo, the realest.
Oli
Gongo. That name was derived from my name, Ola. Because people do call me Ola.
Wow.
So Oli.
Oh wow.
So that's my name. And I'm an afrobeat and afro-fusion artist.
Wow.
Though I do sing on all beats. I think there's no, it's not that I'm not proud, but there's no beat that'll be given to me now that I can't go.
Yeah, you can kill it.
I can go on all beats.
No, it's good. It's good to talk about yourself. That's not right.
But normally, I'm an afrobeat and an afro-fusion singer.
Beautiful.
And then I like sampling. Oluwabona, Burna Boy is my biggest idol. I think I love him.
Beautiful.
But people do call me Oluwabona.
Okay.
Because I sing like him also.
All right.
Though I have what I'm vying for, but normally people do call me Burna Boy.
All right. You're going to be bigger than Burna. Yeah, I see you becoming bigger than Burna.
Yeah,
You're going to be.
I believe.
Push yourself, all right? Burna, where he is today is just a stepping stone.
Yeah.
You're going to get there and you're going to be bigger, all right?
I believe.
He was once like you, even lower, all right? And he grew up to that prominence. You too can do that, all right? Welcome, Mr. Oli Fresh. So you are with your award. You have successfully become the first runner-up for the Afro Music Talent Show. How do you feel backing this award today?
I'm so happy. I'm happy. But without some people who did this for me, I won't be here today. Standing as the first runner-up. I have to say a big thank you to my family. Always and always. Always and always. They ask me who brought me to this place. I have to say my family first. My dad. In fact, I'll mention their names now.
Go ahead.
My dad, number one. My big uncle here, he's seated there. As in, they really did a lot.
Wow.
As in, even concerning the likes and comments on Facebook, YouTube, they did a lot. Daddy, I didn't care. My dad, my uncle here, Brother King, they didn't care. Big mommy. And there are so many, I can't mention names. If I plan to mention names now, we won't live here. So they did a very nice.
Let's you know, guys. Yeah, before you continue, you know, it's actually very, very encouraging to have a few people that are supporting you. All right, it's a lonely process to just push yourself all the way to the top. All right, but if you have people who believe in your talent, in your skills, then the struggle would be a little less stressful. He has a lot of people who actually backed him up. It doesn't also mean that he did not back himself up. If I asked him now, Oliver, did you vote for yourself? He will say yes, definitely. Although he's acknowledging these people who have supported and encouraged him.
And there are still more of them.
Beautiful.
Saki.
Beautiful.
And my mom's senior sister's son.
Beautiful.
Three of our sons. There are so many.
Imagine
a woman from my street who is selling. She's just selling
along the road.
I just went. I met her. No, she's near my compound. So
right.
I met her. So I discussed with her. She just voted for me.
Beautiful.
Voted for me.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Most people here that I do songs, as in they love me. That's why I said they call me Oluwabona. They love me.
Beautiful.
Even for my work, most people just anytime they see me, they're always happy. And not that I'm proud, I'm not proud, but they always they like seeing me.
You know, if
when I sing.
Yeah, beautiful. If not because Jim Bell was really strong, he was really determined from the start. This would have been the winner of the competition. I mean, you see the push. He was there. He was there from the start. Please, can we clap once again for I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. All right, so this is what I want you to know, all right? We are going to do all within our capability to ensure that this your light that is shining already keeps shining, all right? So tell the viewers, tell us all over the world, what's your expectation from the Elegant Empire music?
Well, my expectations from the Elegant Empire in the next few years, in fact, starting from now and today that I'm seated here, is that I want it to be said that yeah, in the next few years, I'll be sitting on top of the world. Just like when I was sitting Elephant Empire, and I believe.
Definitely.
Because I'm always determined in everything I do. So I go, I fight for it, I strive hard. Even if I fall, I'll stand up again. So, the fan, just stay tuned, just stay tuned with me. Because I believe in myself. I'll give you what you want. I want to give the world what will be pleasant to their hearings. Because they say music is pleasant to the hearings. So I want to give them what will be pleasant to their hearings. So that is what I'm vying for.
Beautiful. And ladies and gentlemen, he's a very good artist, alright? He's one of the people that when I looked through performances, I could count him into our very first set of people. Maybe the first 5. Alright? His song came up in performance, one of the best. Alright? So if you have not checked out for OLY performance in the AFROMUSIC season 2, please go to our YouTube channel right now. Search for the name OLY. You're going to see him and you're going to be surprised at the kind of talent he has. And that's really not even his best. His best is yet to come. And we are here to make sure it comes out. Ladies and gentlemen, can we clap for him? Lastly, say your last word to the fans and viewers all over the world. Although you've said it before, just make it in brief. Conclusion.
Yeah, viewers all over the world, I say a very big thank you. Very big thank you. But still my family first. Before some few of my friends who also did well. I'm grateful, I'm very grateful. I'm grateful. And more big things coming on the way. Believe me. Because I believe.
Thank you very much, Mr. OLY. Enjoy the rest of your day.